Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to our channel One to Step, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use the app of First Citizens mobile banking app. So its logo is going to look just like this over here, as you guys can see, white background and multiple colors like lines over here. So you can easily download it from your Play Store and App Store. After you download it, you can click on to open it. So if you're opening the app for the first time, it's going to take a couple of time to load up. So while it loads up, you guys can hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step if you guys are new to our channel. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. For more videos like this on our channel, hit that notification bell and let's move on. Once you're over here, click on proceed and it's going to take you to the account creating page. Over here, click on accept. It basically means you agree to its terms and service, all right? Once you click on accept, it's going to ask you to enter your user ID. Now remember, in order to create yourself, Citizen Bank's mobile banking app account, you need to have like a basic account, like an offline account or like a normal bank account on Citizen or like First Citizen Bank, all right? If you have that, enter the user ID over here. If you don't, go make yourself one, all right? You can do it online or by going to their bank physically. After you enter your user ID over here of your bank, click on proceed. On the next step, it's going to ask you to enter your date of birth. So enter your date of birth over here, click on OK. After you do that, click on proceed. And if the user ID and date of birth you entered matches, then it's going to take you on the next step, which is going to ask you for some more information. After providing all the information, you should be registered for First Citizen Bank's mobile banking app account. After you do that, you can use it, all right? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can sign up for First Citizen Bank's mobile banking app account and how you guys can use the app of First Citizen Bank. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.